coffee seedlings to our farmers. It's a promise I gave to the residents of Kisii County, and it has come to fulfillations. Therefore, I'm an happy man this morning, or this afternoon, to see that what I promised my people, it has come to pass. The seeds that we are giving out is really relevant, which does very well. I'm told one plant does 5 kgs per season, not per year, per season. Therefore, we are looking forward to improve the lives of our people, to put money into their pockets. I've decided that I'll force my farmers to put money into their pockets. This is what I'm doing with the coffee, avocado, banana, value chain, and other many things that I'm doing to my people. It's an exercise that we're going to do. I'm looking forward to see if I can give close to 500,000 seedlings before elections. In the process, I've found an investor who wants to put again a factory for extraction of caffeine at our industrial park. The gentleman has taken a half of the industrial park. He's paying rates to the county. He's investing 1.3 billion in the avocado value chain, as he's looking forward to do his own factory for extraction of caffeine. Caffeine is the one which is used for all energy beverages in the country, in the world. And it will be the second in the world for extraction of caffeine. The gentleman comes from Dubai. They are ready to invest in the country. I think there is a good opportunity in Kisii, and we're asking other investors, if you got a chance, visit us. You'll see what we have as Kisii community. All through the avocado. I'm sure this avocado factory, as he has just arranged about it, it will be the biggest again factory around. Forgetting about the ones in Muranga, this will be a milestone for our people, as it were. Rero tuachire igaiga kwenda n'ebimeri bye ekawa. Emeri to kwenda na gaiga ne 1,100. Nindigire tuwe chimotu ndoro se nindu ebimeri enusu million kolingana na kelina promise ti abalimi bane kero na enkobo oli chikura. Nindero mugoko chirinke na arwete dirina ansirete wone gabalimi bate birenga chia melire. One of the factory na arwete nyamache. Ogendoro, you will see a camera kinga ke kolete. Igo ekawe enkwena kando na ekawa yoko nywewa. Na nyole investe yem kor Dubai. Oyo na nyole tewe avocado. Already ata ito invest 1.3 billion ase okru siam of that avocado. And then kwena na levi meli. On table nada itarole osinabeke e factory ende aga cha litongeri kera no buli mobole e factory ende ye kawa tali esenge nje kawa yoko nywego barusi egentege ko caffeine ime ekikorosi ebinyiwa bikonywegwa ensengima energy drinking beverages that went the koenano osechi konywewa worldwide. Nerigo chakobe ya kabere after yemo ya Europe. Igo nindigire tuwe chimotu investor na ndenda temboli abana ba mintu bari locally gaiga bali ngumbu mokonyora investors batume bono tuansire ekera bno yo kor Dubai na ile tenusu ya industrial park. Abangwana mbali na baro tunya kugamba na baro ntaitendero se koru Manchester UK ndoro semba beke industry ya moyo yokorosia maliogo yoko wenia abantu tinda yinyo watulira nyoni maiga mono mpaka kenyo ni ye ikire twanyibwatire na lingoja gukwana details che baliuna baroba rosri oseba ba orokirie interest as a factory donde tenga gusi ayonyo kolesko gai abana ba mintu muri social media market account yetu negativity tego tokonye matusta auto konye tiga torenga kitokoni gusiye ito tokonya abaiboli baito tuikonye twikabanyane ekiera ense no erigerete bintu birito kora byo kuramana mbigo tokonya igentu kiekera tokonye no koleta abantu borukinga gusiye ito na butokonyara ekiera twanyarire soko huru mwa tubine cha igento kyanye salin soko huru ekawa we are going to make sure to have a proper mechanism yo control soko huru no soko huru yendo ta tumanga kyo kobogoli ekawa kuruga go chiaralia actually in my budget and God willing in my second term we are putting all security apparatus technologically to make sure igento kendige korugusiga iga etuma etengento no enega tubire the way we do scanning Mombasa all our major roads chigosoka korugusi we must make sure twamanyire ngakeke merige korugai is an a heavy investment but it is worth it ekiaira oboibi oboitira abalimi baitu probably going forward what I'm doing will invest in it and I cannot every last mangikirani to answer na mangana itanga niyo koranga chigos revenue yetu chigo kanchiri so that sako teye gotungaina etaoni mega to answer go sivito ta toronga every item onye muntu bwa tigase tigatomwe gasi akole there are so many things lakini